Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class 10 at 4. I am your Shaun Miss from Biam Laboratory School. How are you, my dear students? I always pray to the Almighty Allah for keeping you safe. For the present situation of coronavirus, we can't take your direct classes. So our school authority has arranged these online classes to continue your regular study. Today, I will take the subject English for today. Already I have supplied 2 sheets of this subject and also given an unseen sheet to practice at your home. I hope you are all tried to solve the sheet at your home by yourself. Okay, now let's start our today's lesson. Please take your book and open page 42. Our today's lesson, Unit 21, page number 42. Topic headline, Food Around the World. Please remember one thing. You should read the topic carefully before you solving question answer, fill in the blanks or any kind of problem. And also find out the new word from the text. If you know the meaning of the word, you can easily understand the topic. Now I am going to read the text. Please listen it attentively. Open the page number 42. Food around the world. Hi, I am Alex. I live in London and I am British. I start my day at 7 a.m. and have breakfast at 8 o'clock. On weekdays, I usually have milk, cereal and an apple. Sometimes I have fried eggs with cheese and some juice. Apple juice is my favorite. But I like mango juice too. We don't grow any mangoes in country, but we can get mango juice at the supermarket. The first part of this text. And now the second part of this text. Hello, I am Heba from Saudi Arabia. It's very hot there. So our school starts at 7 a.m. I get up at 5 in the morning and I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock. For breakfast, I usually have some hot beans and bread. Sometimes I have eggs. I drink juice almost every morning. Mango juice is my favorite, but I like orange juice too. We don't drink a lot of milk in our family. We don't take it very much. In this text, describe the breakfast pattern of 2 persons of 2 countries and when they start their days. We know that the weather condition of different countries are different and their lifestyle and food getting habit are also different. Here Alex is a boy who lives in London. He is British. And we know the weather of European countries is usually cold. And Heba is an Arabian girl. And the weather of Saudi Arabia is hot. Now, after reading this text, I have made some questions for you. Look at the board. Here is the question. Beside these questions, you must make more questions by yourself. Look. Number 1. Who lives in London? What is his nationality? Alex lives in London. He is a British. Number 2. What does Alex take on weekdays? On weekdays, Alex takes milk, cereal and apple. Number 3. Where does Heba lives? Heba lives in Saudi Arabia. Number 4. Where do the British get the mango juice? The British get the mango juice from the supermarket. Number 5. What does Heba usually have in the breakfast? Heba usually takes some hot beans and bread in her breakfast. And here is some WH questions for you. A. Alex lives in London. Here I mention a place name. And the question, where does Alex live in? Because of the place name, I use here where to make the question. Because if you want to know the name of any place or any countries, you can use where to make the question. B. Apple juice is my favorite. Apple is the name of a non-living thing. If anything belongs to non-living thing, then we can make that question by use what or which. Here I use which. Which is your favorite juice? C. It's very hot here. Hot is a condition of any place. If we want to know the condition or method of anything or any place, then we use how to make the question. D. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Here I mention the time. If we want to know the time, then we use when to make the question. E. We don't drink a lot of milk in our family. A lot of milk. I also use here a non-living thing's name. So I use what don't we drink in our family. You can also use here which. That's all today. See you again with a new topic. Be safe till then. Remember one thing, you must wash your hand by using hand sanitizer or soap for 20 seconds before you taking your food or touching your face, nose and eyes. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.